Colorado ski country.
Ski Broadmoor Slope at Resort Complex, Mount Cheyenne. Skiers on hill at Winter Park near Denver. Prospector lifts skiers to Vista Dome ski run. Ski Trails Upper Hidden Valley. Christie Lift on Mount Werner, Steamboat Springs. Loveland Basin on Atlantic side of Great Divide. Arapahoe Basin ski area. Ski slopes and Peak 8 at Breckenridge. Gore Creek Drive and Clock Restaurant, Vail. Riva Ridge, one of more difficult runs at Vail. Aspen Hill provides view of Mount Sopris and Capitol Peak. Little Nell Lift climbs Aspen Mountain from Aspen. Aspen, Twinkling Jewel at foot of mountain. Skiers use helicopter lifts too, Sam's Knob. Skiers ride above Maroon Bells and Snowmass Mountain. Aspen Highlands ski area at Loges Peak. Buttermilk Mount ski area from the Cliff House. Snow provides less serious activity at Grand Mesa. Potato Mount Lift at Purgatory in San Juan Mountains. Crested Butte Gondola Lift near Garrison. Gentle slopes of Monarch ski area, Salida, appeals to beginners.